guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, welcome. Tik Tok. Wrap your stuff, girl, because we about to have a long, good old vlog. I know what you want, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go away. So I am about to get dressed because I am going out to eat. I'm watching YouTube. So yeah, this is me before. And I'll show you guys after.
Come and take your place, cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will know what to do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my
makeup done, fit on. Probably can't get my whole outfit, but this is what I kind of do when I gotta fake it. It's crooked. This is what I gotta do when I gotta fake it when my hair is not done. So it's the scent that I'll be wearing. Can you see it? Mood, satin mood. This is amazing. If you guys do not have it, please go get it. It smells so freaking good. So yeah. So I'm thinking, should I keep the shades on or off? On or off? They're really cute. I don't know why I don't know. Then I'm gonna mess my makeup up. I don't know about it.
Plastic bitch, plastic stick, count the G, supposed to beat, got your bitch, shoot and miss, catch your feet.
Honey, I love my life. We don't need to do that. All right, y'all, babe, turn it down, We had sex because we about to budget and get my stuff together that I need for my birthday. I got what, 2 months? Birthday? Yeah, this called prepping. This is what I'm doing. I'm prepping you for what I want on my birthday list. So get your pockets together, my boy. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Don't you be shy now, baby. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Or let me see if I can get a fit chick. Hold on. Let's see. Where I got this jacket from? H&M. I got my Louis bag. I bought this for my mother, and then she gifted it to me. And then I got my Gucci slides on. Cute but simple. Let's go, baby.
It's not that I don't want you here.
That's the baby.
It's something about the way you stay.
You do not stunt and go that way. We going clean over here.
I know that I don't make things clear. I
feel like I put something on there. I feel like I'm shaky as hell. Y'all, look at this. This is how I know I'm gonna have a good life. Can y'all see the total
gon' do it thinking.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. We on our mommy duties early in the morning, child. We gotta drop the kid off. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. I 10 by 10 people. I am at the nail shop. I want to get my nails done. I haven't got my nails done in so long, and I just need like a day where I could just do that for me. You know what I'm saying? I look so rough. Like, I need to go home and gel my edges down, but let me show y'all the inspo, the nail inspo. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Like, can you see this? Oh, this is so pretty. And like, black is literally one of my favorite colors. So yeah, we're gonna try to get that if the nail shop is not busy. Okay, guys. I'm trying to put mom's on. Show 'em, Ma.
Or this one? Which one y'all have at home?
I got both of them. But that one is at Target, so I wonder if it's cheaper at Target.
Let's go to Target.
But you need a balm to take your makeup off. You just said
I ain't
it.
gonna have no makeup on today. I'm gonna get that mascara. I want that mascara.
Okay.
Show them how my baby did my hair.
There's no way you still putting makeup on.
Dang, that's powerful. Ooh. I'm about to go right to Mac looking like this.
They gonna say you look a mess. Let me see.
It's a process.
That's horrible. Let me see.
It's a process when you mess with that. Oh, I need to get that. Oh. All this stuff for free.
They were supposed to send me the tester of the small one, but they don't. So this is the regular size one, and then the micro one is just essentially like a little smaller than it. So like I would say
I
you
think
can
it was
open
this
it.
one.
I would say that's the micro one. So like if you want to open it to compare, that's the micro.
I think it was this one.
But sir, if it helps, look, I have my hand out. If it helps you.
I see.
Close your mouth when you're doing it.
I can't. I think that's normal for
I
everybody.
think it is.
You can see it.
Yeah, I got an accident. I need made over.
You need to be made over.
I think I'm more of a doctor, you know.
He want to be made over. He got in an accident.
Can you see it?
Trying to see what Nelly stuff they got.
Can you see it?
I don't know. Yeah, come on.
Oh,
Do you see it, sir?
yeah, see, yes.
Can you see it?
You talking about your eyelashes?
Yeah.
Yeah. Seriously.
So
Yeah.
you think it worked?
Morty, listen.
how much
Stay
is it?
looking that way. $30.
$30?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
We could do a lot with $30, huh?
So can.
Can you see it?
Your hat is on for one. I can see it, I promise. You have to do more than one coat.
I mean, it's definitely a sample. Like, it's probably
Ain't
enough
nothing
for
in
one
it?
eye.
For real?
Let's see. Look.
Girl, you got fire. Y'all have that?
Well, I'm walking back to get me one, child. I guess. It's gonna have my lash thick. The one that's gonna have my lashes thick, because I don't know what this is. This one don't have my lashes thick. This one got me like with baby girl lashes. You see it?
Hello.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is Tuesday, and let's see if I can zoom you guys out because I'm all up in y'all face. But I am about to straighten up my room and my beauty room before I head out for the day. I really like to kind of clean my house before I leave, so when I come home after a long day, that's something that I do not have to do. So yeah, I'm about to show you guys my room. Okay, so this is my room. quick little I have to move those shoes, but quick little insider about me. I really hate lighting in my room. I like it real dark. Black is my favorite color, so yeah, that's why my whole room is black. Even though if let me just say this, if you're not a clean person, please do not get black, because girl, this girl, but I have this little light here that I could just that one right there, I don't want to get it to focus, that light there, to where I can turn it on from my phone and I just keep those little lights. But I'm about to straighten up my room. My bed is from Wayfair. Love it. It's beautiful. So I'm about to straighten it up. So I'll see you guys. I'll kind of time lapse you guys. Okay, bye. Okay, so room is clean. Love it. This is how I like my room to stay. I like to have a nice clean room before I leave. So when I come home, I can just shower and lay down. So this is it. Y'all know I got a little newborn baby, so this is bed, and that's a genie, so don't mind that. But yeah, this is my room, nice and clean. Probably can't see because it's too dark, huh? This is my beauty room. This is where all the magic happens, girl. Don't mind that Best Buy bag, don't mind my beauty glitter. But I'm about to straighten this up because I cannot stand for this room to be dirty. So yeah, let's go. Setup that I like to have. This is my lip glosses that I use daily, but I gotta take some of them out the corner because they're all in the corner. And yeah, so let me finish. Keeping Alexa in here, but oh girl, that drives me crazy. That's why I take all my wires every time I'm done recording. I take all my wires and put them up because wires drive me insane. Hey guys, I am back. I just got out the shower. I was gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair, but I didn't think to do that before I got in the shower. So I know somewhere on this vlog I will do that, but I'm about to go in my beauty room and moisturize my face, and I probably need to shave it because my face is kind of looking like a little rough. So yeah, I'm really exhausted. Like I'm really tired. I just really want to go to bed, but work hard, play hard to get the egg. So I promise I am gonna show you guys how I moisturize my hair, because I mean, I put you guys in my life, I guess. So when y'all be nosy and stuff, I can't even say shit because, I mean, that's what I signed up for, right? No cap shit. But I'm about to go to my beauty room and get... Okay guys, so I am about to moisturize my face, but I do want to show you guys this. I don't know how to pronounce their name. Wayi, whatever. They sent me a teeth whitening kit and teeth whitening kit. So I'm gonna whiten my teeth as I... Oh, this is the new one. I moisturize my face. Fire.
Be purpose.
Hey guys, I am about to pick up my car. Finally. Freaking finally. Your girl needs her car back. Thank you. So yeah, I am currently filling up the car. Yo, the part that I had to get put on my car was $956. Thank God I got a CPO. If y'all get a Mercedes, please get a certified pre-owned warranty. Girl. I literally been coming to Target for about 3 days straight to find the surfacing mask, and it's gone again.
And another woman that could take your spotlight.
If your photo don't look like this, you don't know what you're doing. Look at this. Okay guys, so I think I am going to end this vlog here because my camera is dying. I just filmed this look, so make sure you hit that bell so you can see how I achieved this look. I was feeling a little festive today. I'm about to take pictures for Instagram, so follow me on IG.